Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being my friend. We can dance in the rain and look for bugs and make me smile and give the best hugs. Thank you for lending an ear. When you listen, I know that you hear. We can learn new things with each new day. We can have adventures, laugh and play. So come with me, let's have some fun in Michael's Magic Room.
I Celebrate Nature, written and illustrated by Diane Iverson. I celebrate nature. This is the title page. It has the author and the illustrator. For this book, it's the same person, and her name is Diane Iverson. I celebrate nature. With its green and golden trees. I walk softly among the butterflies. And creatures running free. I love to chatter with the birds. And watch them fly up in the air. I help the puffballs scatter seeds through the meadows broad and fair. I feel the skipping, dancing water. And the crunch of autumn leaves. I hear the far coyote and the gentle buzz of bees. And the world that we share and try to find some little way to show them that I care. I celebrate nature. What a nice book. It's so important to celebrate nature, especially because we are a part of nature. So this week, try to spend time outside. Even if it's in your backyard, you're still with nature in your backyard. So celebrate the earth, celebrate nature. Before I go, let's go outside and check out the worms. This is where we keep the worms. We put in some soil, some newsprint it's called, some wet paper. We put that wet paper on top to keep the moisture in. And then you can see that we've added some shredded paper with the soil. And the rest is food scraps, soil, and worms. You can see some of the worms crawling around in there. I'm just gonna hold the camera and you can maybe notice some. I think I see some worms. Do you see any? Here's one that I pulled out. Look at that. Can you remember which one is its mouth? Is it this side? Or is it that side? These types of worms are called red wigglers. Right now I think it's looking for food or looking for the soil that I took it out of. So I'm gonna put it back. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope it get off my hand here. There we go. Good night, Wormy. That's what a worm bin looks like. Now we are going to cover it back up. And the reason we put this wet paper on top is to help keep the moisture of the wet soil staying in there so that the worms are happy. After we close it up, we can go finally see the Worm Hotel. See you tomorrow, worms. Inside this container is the Worm Hotel. Oh, and a smaller Worm Hotel. You can make worm hotels out of all sorts of stuff. That looks like a worm hotel just for one worm. This one, I think, is for quite a few more. Let's slide it off. Let's see what's going on in there. I haven't checked on this worm hotel in a couple days. So I'll turn it around. Look at that. There's a little bit of moisture on the walls of the hotel. We didn't put extra water in. Sometimes moisture forms on windows when it's been hot inside. Maybe these worms are producing some heat they've been so busy. Looks like this worm. Oh, wait, that's more than one. How many worms do you see? Oh, there's more and more. That one looks really long. Maybe we can hold a magnifying glass. These are really good to have when you have small stuff like worms. What else can we find? Sometimes it looks like the worms aren't moving at all. Something about being with worms that makes me feel like I should be quiet. Maybe because worms are so quiet. Every day they're eating a little bit more. And the food that we put in and the leaves that we put in are also decomposing. They're breaking down into smaller and smaller pieces. Well, that's all for now, but until next time, don't forget, celebrate nature. Bye-bye.